Today we are going to show you the Mark V in action. The Mark V is our fully customized prototype, built in the spring of 2008. The Mark V is 1.8 kilograms and has 24 joints. The 14 servos in the legs and hips are using the Hextronics HX12K metal gears and motors. The 10 servos in the arms are using the Hextronics HX5010 plastic gears and motors. Everything we played previously on the Mark IV, we can play on the Mark V. The whole model was designed in Autodesk Inventor and printed on a Dimension Pro 3D printer. This gave us a lot of flexibility in the design of the joints and a much lighter robot.